Do you wish you could rediscover the magic you felt the first time you picked up a crayon? Hi, I'm Lindsay Weirich, and in this new course, Oil Pastels Made Easy, we're going to do just that. Oil pastels are a magical medium, and if you've ever held a crayon before, you kind of get the gist of how they work. I'm going to go over the basic tools and supplies you're going to need, and we're going to choose affordable options so you won't be afraid to use them because they're too expensive. And then we're going to go over basic techniques. I'm going to show you how to apply the pastels, when to use hard pastels, when to use softer ones, how you can layer them up, and how you can incorporate them with other media you already own. Although this is an oil pastel course, the 10 paintings that we do are going to be just with the materials that I have in the materials list. If you already have oil pastels at home, go ahead and use them. You don't need to buy anything special, but I do have a curated list of affordable supplies that you can choose if you wish. We will do 10 paintings together, and over the course of the 10 paintings, we'll reinforce all of the things that I taught you in the basic modules. And by getting that practice every day at the table with your oil pastels, you're going to start to build the visual vocabulary you need to be able to paint subjects beyond what we're going to do in the course. Each lesson is going to start with a little sketch. Now you can draw along with me, and I do hope you will, but if you don't like your drawing or you don't feel comfortable, I do provide patterns for the more difficult lessons that we need to draw out. At the end of this course, you will have a stack of beautiful paintings, but what's better, you're going to have the knowledge on how to make even more beautiful paintings that you want to create. And that's not all. At the end of this course, there is a tutorial archive where I share other oil pastel artworks I have done and links to tutorials on how to complete them or time lapses so you can see how they go together. So if you are ready to go on an oil pastel journey with me, click the enroll button below and join me for Oil Pastels Made Easy. I can't wait to paint with you.